We're in Collingwood.
Wow!
We're on top of the water. A ship.
So this is called Georgian Bay.
It's like hay.
Ah,
Mommy, it's like
Port na
hay.
siya.
ang ganda oh. Daddy!
Mommy, wash your back.
Ah. Ang ganda, may wow! Ayun na yun, Daddy, Blue Mountain.
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your
May ski,
destination.
ano, diba? Kita mo?
Wow!
May mga
Casey,
ski
do you
doon
see
sa-
that?
Where?
Ang ganda ng mountain sa kabilang side, oh.
Everyone is going back.
Dito tayo.
Wow!
Everyone's
Spade Park and...
You have arrived.
What?
You have arrived! Thank you, Lord!
Ginawa niya yung dalawa. Sila ulo.
hot.
Ha?
I'm hot.
Wow!
Wow! Dun, dun, dun.
Naka-roll yung camera there,
If I press this 2 times,
Press 2 times. Kukukot yung camera.
and then if you press it 1 time, you'll
Subi. Wow, it's a boat.
I got it! I got it, Andre! Let's see. Look, Daddy! Daddy, look! Let me see. You can reach this one. Can you reach that one? Right.
Hold.
No, Andre, this one. No, you didn't. Not that one, but like this one. Like this one. See, Andre, this one.
Children, kumain tayo ng mabilis. Para makadami tayo sa ano.
What? You left my comb here, Mommy? You left it? Oh well. You left my comb. Let's be on the town. No, 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 no. Guys, I'm trying to break the glass.
Don't break it. The plants did nothing to you. Okay.
Plus, plants don't do anything. Can I try?
Tama lang gamitin ni Andre yung ano na yan, saksot na yan. Baka maya next year. Hindi na yan. Next year sakto pa lang. Walang mga May, no? Pagdating ng October, wala.
You have to do closer.
Oh, you're gonna hit each other na po. Dre, move back.
What is it?
ng puno,
Casey,
anak.
Casey.
Papagalitan ka nila. Casey na.
Gray, that's it, okay? Last one, and that's it. Sige na, kain na tayo. Come, ate.
Whoa.
Ate, ganda mo dun sa damit mo, ate. I like it.
Now, what's this? Why can't we have a picnic on the floor?
May ano na pa yes. Tugot yung
Oh.
tubig na.
Tubig. Dala mo ba ng ano? Dala mo ng tubig. I-close mo yung icebox. Gusto yung icebox.
Okay, ang halin sa mga.
Can I have?
Tira mo muna yung plato mo. Para...
Dad, can I have hot dogs? What's your favorite
Hot dogs for
color?
later, anak. I don't have cooked hot dog for now.
Andre, what do you have? This hot dog. Look at Daddy. That's the book that we went on. I wonder a yellow thing in the ocean.
It's a floaty.
Why? Why?
Starbucks. O, doon tayo mag-Starbucks sa Blue Mountain.